Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a voice notifications language of your Jabra Elite 7 Pro. So to do this, you have to select the settings icon in the right upper corner, then go for personalize your headset, and right now go for the voice guidance language. And right here we can pick any of these 6 languages. So if you want to switch, for example, for the Deutsch, so click on it once, and as you can see, we got the base information that our currently battery level is too low, and before updating our headset we have to charge the earbuds and the charging case to minimum of 50%. And then you will be able to hit on this update now button, and yeah, you will basically download the new voice language to your headset. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.